New video released today of a dump truck that crashed into a New Jersey home and the intense rescue.
Went through the front yards, never braked, and just right into the house. You hear bam.
Dashcam video shows the truck going about 40 miles an hour, hitting a pole, then driving right into this house. Wow, the 73,000-pound truck carrying sand ended up almost entirely inside the home. A man inside the time also was trapped in the rubble. Very, very scary. Police believe the driver suffered a medical emergency before the crash, and he was taken to the hospital, and he is doing okay. So that is good news, but whew,
I'm glad
scary situation there.